Welcome back to Hershey's Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. This is personally my favorite recipe. So here I am to show you the step-by-step process. So let's start the preparation.
For chicken biryani, I will start with the preparation of brown onions. For that, take a deep pan and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, add in thinly sliced onions into the hot oil. Put the flame in high and give it a stir. Now add in about 1 teaspoon of salt. This gives onions a very nice color and makes it crispy, and mix it well. Once onions start changing its color, turn the flame into medium. After about 5 to 6 minutes, the onions has completely changed its color, turned into brown, and they look crispy as well. I will take it out into a bowl. Our brown onions are perfectly ready now. I will keep it aside and start with the chicken marination process. I have taken about 1 kg of chicken with bone and cleaned it thoroughly. In this, add in about 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut powder, and 1½ tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add about 2 tablespoons of whipped curd and biryani masala, about 2 tablespoons. Add in some fresh coriander and mint leaves, some brown onions. Add in about 1½ teaspoon of salt. Squeeze about half a lemon and mix it well. I have mixed it well and cover it with the help of lid. I am using a cliff foil, and I am going to marinate this for about 30 to 45 minutes. And for cooking basmati rice, I have taken about 2 cups of rice and soaked it for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I have taken about 6 cups of water and kept it for boil. Now we will add in whole spices into it: 3 cardamom, star anise, cinnamon, shahi jeera, and about 3 bay leaves. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. Put the flame in high. Once the water comes to the rolling boil, we will add in basmati rice into it. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once it is done, turn off the flame and check with the rice consistency. Rice should break into 3 equal halves. That means the rice is cooked for 70%. I have drained out the excess water and the basmati rice is perfectly done now. Leave the lid open. Basmati rice is 70% cooked, and I will keep this aside. Take another pan. Once the pan is hot, add in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter into it. Add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 star anise, 1 black cardamom, grate some nutmeg powder, about 2 pinches of it. Now we will add in roughly chopped onions and about 4 slit green chilies. Add in and we will saute it for about 2 minutes. Now add in about 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. Stir it well. add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it well, and we will cook this for about 2 minutes until tomatoes become soft. Once the tomatoes become soft, we will add in marinated chicken into it. Put the flame in high and add in entire marinated chicken into it. Mix it well. We will cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is done for about 70%. Now the chicken is done for about 70%. Then some roasted cashew nuts, please check for the seasonings before adding basmati rice into it. If you want to add, you can add it now. Now put the flame in sim and add in 70% cooked basmati rice on top of the chicken mixture. I have spread basmati rice evenly on top of the chicken mixture and topping it with brown onions, then some freshly chopped mint and coriander leaves, some roasted cashews again, some biryani masala. This is to give some extra spiciness. This is optional actually. And add in saffron soaked in warm milk for about 10 to 15 minutes. Pour it evenly on top of the biryani. Now we will cover it with the help of kitchen foil, or else you can use dough to cover it tightly. We will close it with the help of lid. By that the air will not come out of it. Now we will cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on absolutely sim. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I have left it for about 10 minutes and then I am opening the lid. The chicken biryani is perfectly done now. You can feel the perfect aroma out of it. And take one side of the chicken biryani where you can lift the pieces out of it. Mix the masalas and rice together and I will dish it out. Perfect Hyderabadi chicken biryani is ready to serve. This tastes really yummy. So friends, please give it a try and have this delicious biryani. Hope you will love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.